Hi, welcome to week one. I'm Dr. Matoka Welch. I'm thrilled to be working with you all this term. I very much enjoy teaching this course, Diversity in Counseling, because I very much enjoy learning and growing with you in this course. You read a little bit about my background in the welcome announcement, and I just want to also say that what I enjoy about counseling and what I actually love about counseling is in that sacred space, I can sit across from someone and in my actions, in my congruence, in my unconditional positive regard, I can affirm this person. I can call them beautiful, especially in their broken places, especially in places where individuals have felt ugly or not worthy or not lovable. I affirm my clients and I help my clients to be able to begin to affirm themselves. And that's what I really love about the counseling process. It's a journey, but it's a journey that's made more successful and more powerful because as a counselor, I'm not unafraid to look into my own life and examine my own areas where I feel unworthy, where I feel unlovable. And so that's sort of the structure of this class. This class, of course, we're going to get to the point where we begin to look outside of ourselves at different groups. We're going to talk about marginalized groups. We're going to talk about sort of the dominant culture, etc. But in the first few weeks, we're really going to be looking at otherness, client otherness, and in this first week, your otherness. Those times when you have felt left out. Those times when you felt less than. And so your first discussion is going to be talking about your otherness. And tied to that, you'll have a journal entry due that talks about otherness. To help you sort of think about this concept, I've attached to our week one announcement a worksheet that was created by Dr. Stacy Reihisser that is based on the hero's journey. And it can help you to begin to think about your otherness and those times in your life and how it's how you've overcome or worked through those areas. So that's our week one. One of the things I want to say about this class is, number one, this is a safe space. This is a safe and affirming community of one another. We have to recognize, especially in this day and age where it's so polarized politically, that everyone is different. Everyone has a different story. Everyone has different viewpoints. And guess what? That makes life exciting and fun. I never want to be in a place where my opinion is always the opinion of everyone in the room. Number two, so it's a safe place and we learn from one another. I might not have had the same experiences as you. I might not see the world the same way that you see the world, and that's okay. And so understanding that and allowing for individuals to share their stories, I think helps us to grow as a community. So really challenge yourself in this course. Really read the material. Your textbook is phenomenal. You have wonderful weekly resources. So really apply those to the weekly modules. You also have due in week one a case study about Jeanette. Now, their assignments are called case analyses, and there is a difference between an analysis and a summary. I'm not looking for summaries from you. I'm looking for analyses. And so to really analyze something, you have to be able to apply what you're learning. This is why reading your textbook, reading the resources, watching the TED Talks, etc., will make you very successful in this course. I've taught this many times. There are some students who really try to just use their life experience. And, and I just want to challenge you. As a counselor, how are you learning if you don't read and look at the literature and see what are best practices out in the field? If I only relied on my own experiences, what kind of counselor would that make me be? So really integrate the resources, really apply what you're reading and learning. And finally, just a safe space, allow space for there to be differences of opinion, and also just understanding the richness and diversity of that. So welcome to the course. I'm very excited to be working with you. And let me know if you have any questions about your week one assignments. Thanks.